Hello everyone. Today I welcome you in the e-learning of class 8 subject computer chapter 1 computer networking, and it is part 1. In future time you will also get part 2 and part 3. In this slide here are the topics which will be explained are as follows. First is computer networking, second is components of computer network, third is advantages of networking, fourth is applications of networking, and fifth is types of computer network. In this slide we will talk about computer network. A network is a collection of computers, servers, mainframe, network devices, peripherals or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. An excellent example of a network is the internet, which connects millions of people all over the world. Computers in a network are also known as node. One thing you'll have to take care of that: capital internet, capital I internet and small I internet are two different things. Capital I internet is the largest network, whereas small I internet is little smaller network. These two terms are used at two different places. Now here you see the picture. The picture is an example of network. The surrounding PCs, which are also called node, are connected to the central device and can share hardware and software resources with each other. Now we will talk about components of computer network. First is sender PC, second is receiver PC. Now sender PC and receiver PC are connected with a transmission medium. It can be wire or it can be also wireless. Now this sender PC and receiver PC will share some sort of messages and kind of information. Now these PC, which are sender and receiver, will surely follow a certain kind of protocol. Then here is the 5 basic components of computer network. First is sender PC, second is receiver PC, third is transmission medium, fourth is message, fifth is protocol. In this slide we will talk about various advantages of networking. First is file sharing. You know that when a PC is in network, then those PC can share their file. And second is resource sharing. Resource in the sense hardware. A single printer can be shared by many PCs in a network. Third is sharing a single net connection. With the help of hotspot and Wi-Fi, net connection of single smartphone can be shared with many. Now last stage increases storage capacity. You have heard the name of cloud storage. With the help of cloud storage, the files and folders can be stored at some other place, and on need it can be got back. Now there are many more advantages of networking, and it will be discussed later. In this slide we will talk about various kind of application areas of networking. Here are the following list of the application areas: communications, information preservation in the sense storing data for a longer time, security, sharing hardware, sharing data, sharing information, sharing file, and sharing software. And there are many more application areas in which computer networks are being used. For example, research areas. In this slide we will talk about types of computer network. First and foremost is LAN, local area network. It connects the computer hardware in a localized area such as an office or home, and this is basically up to 1 kilometer. If any network which is being computers and PCs are being connected within the area of 1 kilometer, that is basically called local area network. It can be wired or it can be wireless. Then second is MAN, metropolitan area network. It is little larger network than usually spans several buildings in the same city or town. The cable TV network is an example of metropolitan area network. The third is WAN, wide area network. A wide area network is a data network usually used for connecting computers that spans a wide geographical area. Example, internet. Internet is the largest network, and internet is the example of WAN. Now here we come PAN, personal area network. It is the interconnection of information technology devices within the range of an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meter. Example, Bluetooth. Any devices which are being connected with the help of Bluetooth, there is personal area network. In this slide, we will talk about exercises. First is what is computer network? Explained with a diagram. Making a diagram in this question is compulsory. Second is analyze the applications of network. It means you'll have to make a list of application areas of network, and it has been explained in previous slide. Third is analyze the components of network. You know it very well, and if you could add, it will be much better. Now last but not the least, add and learn the differences between LAN and PAN. You can make a list between differences between the LAN and PAN. Now this is the end of part 1. Next week I'll come again with part 2. Till then, take care and have a good time. Thank you.